Our perceptions can create roadblocks to our destination. Blind spots are something we all have based on our past experiences, interactions with others, and the opinions and values we've formed over time. You have the opportunity to increase your business and gain new clients by identifying those blind spots. This is also a great time to network with the I.D.E.A committee and learn all the ways you can get involved with Bay East, the community, and connect with other real estate professionals. This free, in-person event will be held on November 8th from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the newly renovated Bay East Event Center. Lunch will be provided by Frank Quizmorio with Realty Experts. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you there.